Hi, I'm Dani Bucholtz and welcome to the Lead Generation Mastermind. I'm so excited that you've chosen to join us. This project has truly been a labor of love on my part. So let me tell you a little bit about me. So I started in this industry back in 1998 on the mortgage side. A couple years later, I started my own mortgage company. Fast forward to a couple years after the mortgage meltdown, and I ended up shutting down that business. But I had already obtained my real estate license back in 2004, and I have worked full time in this business since 1998. So, fast forward now to about 2018, and I officially launched a real estate school. Since then, I've written a couple books. So, I don't tell you this to pat myself on the back, but I tell you this because I can truly help you in your journey. The strategies that I am going to teach you are the exact same ones that I used for my real estate school to launch it. And I get a lot of students that reach out to me instead of the big schools in the area because they've seen my marketing materials, I answer my phone, things like that. So I'm so excited for you on your journey, and I know that this is going to be the ticket so that you can stop buying those leads from all the big boys that just don't convert, so that you can stop having clients that treat you like a commodity and you can truly have value for what you offer. Hey, everybody thinks that we make so much money and that's all the money that we get to keep, but you and I both know that's not the case, right? We have a lot of expenses, education, MLS, different things that we have to pay for each year. So while we might have grossed 200 grand in real estate sales or whatever the case may be for you, that's not what we end up bringing home. So I look forward to working with each and every one of you, and I will see you in upcoming trainings. Have a blessed day. Thanks.